So this time with the lawnmower pull, I'm gonna add a weight to it. This is 10 pounds. It's not too heavy, not too light, but it's just right. So I'm gonna put this right here beside her. When you're ready to go, lean, pull it back, down, pull it back. And you're gonna do 3 reps of these. It should work your rotator cuff and bring strength in the arms. So this is my patient again. So this time we doing a lawnmower pull. So we're gonna come down and we're gonna bring up. Okay, so lean in.